Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another haul video. So today I'm going to show you the haul by Amazon and Nykaa. So I just bought essential from that and little bit of makeup things. So let's get started. Firstly, I'm gonna take you to Amazon haul, which I've bought from Amazon. So this is the Garnier makeup remover, micellar water, which is oil influenced cleansing water. Because if you have any untransferable lipstick or any makeup which has waterproof, so it helps to remove that one. So I just really like this, and I use always this kind of thing. So I had a small one because I wanted to just try it. That also I bought from Amazon only. So this is it, and I'll mention the price in the description box. So all the products link will be in the description box, so you can go and check it out. So we'll begin to next product. So next one I got this sugar palette which has contour and a blush and the highlighter, 3-in-1 packaging. So you have seen me using in other videos, and you can see how much I have used, and you can see this dust here. And I have just used it more and more in the makeup tutorial video. You have seen it, but this is really nice. And I got this blush and this highlighter and this contour. I'll just show you. So this is the contour one. I don't know you can see or what. So this is the highlighter, and blush is so like light, like powder pink. I just really like this, which you can just see my cheeks right now. I did this makeup, so it's really nice. And I'm gonna just, you can just see. So yeah, we'll begin to next product. So next one I got this Maybelline Fit Me compact powder, which has this applicator, and you can see the plastic here. I didn't like the applicator. I have just used it. I tried it, but I didn't like the applicator, which is really goes rough on your skin. So I just apply with other like beauty blenders, or with the help of brush, with makeup brush. So this is and I'll mention the price in the description box. So this is the shade called Light Ivory. So I just like this, and it is really perfect for my skin tone. So we'll begin to other products. Next one I got, this is really different one. This is the this we can just wash all the beauty blenders and the brush on this. You have to just uh, pump the few soap on this, and just rub it on this, so your brush will be cleaned. And you and your beauty blenders, you have to just wear it like in this hand. I'll just take the and just wash it off like this. So it's really nice. And I'll mention the price also. If you want to buy, you can just buy this. So yeah, we'll begin to other products. Next one I got this lip crayon. You have seen my video, like my top 10 lipsticks. So this is the one I showed you, and this is in pink shade, and this is not transferable. I have tried it for 6 hours. So I was just applying it and just roaming around my home, and I just tried. I have eaten, and I drank some coffee or water. Everything just didn't transfer to my glass. You want to buy a lighter color but not a darker shades. I just want to suggest you. So I'm gonna just show you swatch on my hand. You can just see this is really creamy, and it is really a little bit of a matte, but yeah, this is by ink crayon super stay by Maybelline. So I'll leave in the description box. You can just see all the products. So yeah, we'll begin to other products. Next I got this beauty blender, which says, I don't know the brand name here, lady in different something. I can't see, I'm not wearing my specs, so I can't see it. Yeah, I don't know. So yeah, this is the beauty blender, and it came with this case of for me. So you can just open this, and you can see I've used it here. So yeah, this is really nice one. I really love this. I have to clean this. I forgot to clean this. So I'll leave this product link also in the description box. If you want to buy, if you can just check it out. This, it is really amazing, and it is also really affordable. Not like more than 300. It is less than 300 and 200 also, I think. So I don't remember the price of. So yeah, yeah. Next, I got this moisturizer. I wanted to try a new one, so I just got this by Pond's. This is super light gel oil free moisturizer. I really like this. It has the vitamin, not this glowy and non sticky. I wanna just apply and show you on my hand. So this is really super easy, and it's just watery kind of thing. It is not too heavy, and yeah. So you can just use it for your day thing. You can just see the glow in my hand. So yeah. So guys, next I got this Mama Earth aloe turmeric gel. So I wanted this one, and this is really helpful for your plump and soft skin, and also it is also useful for your hair. You have to take a little bit of thing on your fingertips and just massage it on your scalp and down to your hair length here. It was really amazing, and it's not natural also. I have just used it. It is really amazing one, and it has really pure aloe vera and turmeric with it. So yeah, it has aqua aloe vera extract and other thing. So you can see the direction it has been given. It is also useful for your hair and skin. I have tried it on the both. It's really good, and hydrate my scalp too. So it is really nice. Yeah. I use it for whenever I shave my hands or a face, or I did my eyebrows also. I just applied this after shaving or before shaving, both also. Because if you have a super sensitive skin, and you will feel your skin feel like itchiness and a bump on it, if it goes really nice, and it's cools your skin. So this is the product. So next I got this serum by Mama Earth. You have seen me using in other makeup tutorials also, and other like my vlog also. You have just seen this. This is really amazing, which has a vitamin C and turmeric in it. It has really a natural one, and the texture is really good. I'm gonna just show you. This is really like, smells also really good. Yeah, it don't has like fake, like I mean like, you feel like perfume like smell. You don't has like that smell. I really like this one. So yeah, next. So next I have got this one splitter, and it has like this one you have to remove, and which has helps to you to, yeah, it has your mic one and earphone one also. Have to I wanted to use for my like editing one, editing, while editing you have to just voice over on it. So it just used for your splitter. You can just see it too here, and I got this also from Amazon. So next I have got this ring light. Now I'm just shooting on that, so ring light. So I'm going to show you the ring light later. I'll post a picture or somewhere here, or I'll put the description box which ring light I got it, and what is the price of that, which is really, I wanted it ring light. So you can just see my makeup look also, and I wanted good lighting to my like videos. So I just bought it, and I'm just shooting on that. So next product, this mic here, you can just see it. So this mic I have just I bought even that. So I wanted to my voice is so low and I can't shout it also. So my voice is really like, yeah. So I just bought it, and I'll post a picture or leave the link in the description box. You can go and check it out if you want to buy this. So next product. Next, I bought this razor with this is the face razor, and as well as you can do your upper lips and yeah, this eyebrow. I have done it one day before. I mean, yesterday I have done my eyebrows because my eyebrows was really like, you can see it. I have just done it, and it is really amazing. And I'm gonna show you. It comes like this. It has three in one, three packs. It comes with three, can just see two, and this comes like this. It is by Let's Shave. Let's Shave brand called, I just bought from Amazon. So you have to just open this, and you can see the razor, and you have to buy good razor for your face, and you have to keep it sanitized always whenever you shave or pre-shave or post-shave. Yeah, I just dropped it, so I'll come back. So yeah, that is it. And next, I got this one. This is Think Skin Body Wash Lemon Fresh one, and it has paraben free, and this is 500 ml. So I wanted this. I wanted to invest some in some good body wash. So and this is really affordable. Also, I'll leave the in the link all the products, and where did I buy this? And this is by Amazon. I just bought that from there. This is lost. This will last for at least for 3 months, I think. But yeah, next one, I bought this body lotion by Vaseline, and this has non-sticky one, and it has aloe vera in it. So I just like this, and this cools your skin after you just apply it, and this really, I just love aloe vera products. So yeah, this is it. This is my, I think, sixth one. I'm just using from past from 3 months. This is really nice. Yeah, 6 months in since this is a six package. I was using before 3 months also, just got over yesterday, so I just bought it yesterday. It has reached to me. So yeah. And next, I have left out with two products, which is by Nika. So I want to just show you. I badly wanted this product, which has this is by Nika Prep Me Up face primer. I wanted to try this when it has launched. So I couldn't buy it then, so I just bought it now. So yeah, I just bought it in last week. It reached me. So yeah, this is Preppy app. Preppy app. It has tone and smooth. It tones plus smoothen plus perfect one. It just yeah. If you have any oily skin, if you want to prep up that, so this is really nice product. Yeah, investing in something good primer for your makeup. Just you wanted to buy some good primer and long lasting one, you can just buy this. I have used it twice. I'm doing my makeup. It's really nice. Today also I have used this. Yeah. Next one, I have this makeup fixer, which is by Natural, and which has aloe vera with vitamin E, and this is by Swiss Beauty. This is really amazing and affordable product. I'm gonna just show you the product. So this is a makeup fixer, and it's long lasting also, and it is really affordable also. So no, who can stop buying this? So this is my first package. I just tried it, and I've just used it for my three videos you have seen, and one is in my IGTV Instagram. So this is the product. It's really amazing, and this long last. So I've just bought it from Nika. I wanted this from before whenever I saw this, but I just bought it now. So now I'm gonna just give a disclaimer that I'm not promoting any product. I'm just sharing my experience with the products and the app which I bought it. So I have just taken care of sanity, and just sprayed the disinfection spray. Well, it reached me in the box. I just throw that box. So I just and I just took care of the safety. Yeah, after reaching my, I just sprayed disinfection spray on it and just got it. And yeah, or I'm promoting to buy the products from online. You have to take care of yourself and your safety in this situation. So if you like, so if you like this video, please do like, and if you're new here, do subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you can just get notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you want to see this look, I'll just post a video in my IGTV. So if you're not following my Instagram handle in the description box, so go follow. And I'll just post IGTV on this amazing cute look one. And yeah, so if you like, so do share. And I'm gonna go now. Till then, I'll meet you in my next video. So bye.